Hi, I'm Jeff Weinberg, Western Regional Sales Manager here at Magnitude Lighting, and I'm going to show you how to program the AFLEX driver using our simple programming tool. The AFLEX is a replacement driver that comes in two flavors, the compact and the linear. Both of these drivers are full range from 3 to 57 VDC all in one driver. This is a Class P 0 to 10 driver which provides dim to off capabilities. The AFLEX driver is 90% efficient and Title 24 compliant. To program the driver, you will enter the milliamps and the watts. After you've entered the milliamps and watts, select Start Programming. You get visual confirmation the driver has been programmed and an audible beep if your speakers are turned on. The Magnitude Flex Tool software has some unique features. The RFID technology allows you to program the driver without powering the driver. The software also gives you the ability to create and save profiles. In this example, we're programming one driver, but the Magnitude's Flex Tool software gives you the ability to program multiple drivers and keep track of your progress until all the drivers are completed. Finally, the software gives you programming verification for peace of mind that all of your drivers are programmed correctly. Thank you for watching.